Next up, back at our email, we have our confirmation email. We're welcome to ClickBank email, and you can go through and read this. This email confirms that you have signed up with ClickBank. Very good. They've got all the top beginner questions as well if you do have any questions. They have, of course, been in business for quite some time, so they will know what people want to know. Tells you how to get paid and the getting started checklists. Now remember, once again, this is all important. This goes back to what we were talking about earlier on with pay.com. You are a ClickBank affiliate, okay? Never ever think that you're a ClickBank publisher. You are following this program anyway, you are a ClickBank affiliate. That is all important. Alright, so you do have help pages here as well, just to help you out. So keep this email in your account because you never know when you may need it. And we are now ready to log in to our account. Now here's an important thing. What if we get to ClickBank one day and we've completely and utterly lost all the knowledge and lost our password and we don't know how to log in? Because you will notice, by the way, I should just point out, you will notice that there is no mention at all of your new username or your new password in the welcome email. So the page we were at previously, you need to write down or copy and paste, or however you're going to keep it, your username and your password. Okay, but let's just say that we've arrived here and we remember our username, GSMyData. Yeah, okay, we've got that. So what do we need to do to change our password? We'll see down here it says forget or forgot your password. Change it here. So all we need to do is click on that link. And what about our username? Well, that is GSMyData. Okay, and the email address is, of course, jsmydatateam@googlemail, or Gmail would actually do, .com. Yeah, did I write that properly? Type that properly? I did. So we're good to go. So all you need to do is go to step 2. Are you sure that you want to change your password? Changing your password will prevent changes to your payment method or address information for 7 days. So basically, make sure that you remember your password on that first confirmation page that you come to. Okay, we'll click OK though, just to show you how this happens. Change your password. An 8-digit confirmation code has been emailed to you. Okay, so check your email and enter your confirmation code. Let's go back to our email. Here we are, and yes, we do have a new email in our inbox. So let's press it. The confirmation code is FJ, and again we can just copy and paste this. Okay, drag it along. You'll know how to do that now. And we head back to the page previously, the ClickBank page. Here we go. And this is where you put in the confirmation code. Again, click in there, right click and paste. So it did say, I should just mention, don't close that window. I mean, it does have it in big letters, but just to make sure that you don't. If you do need to open a new window, you can click there, because you need, if you're going to change your password, you need this window to still be open. Alright, so we received our email, all is good. That's our confirmation code. Click finish. And we have our brand new password. Okay, there it is. Alright, so that is all important. So remember, when you come to that page beforehand, make sure you remember your password. But if you forget it, for whatever reason, you can change it. But you cannot, remember, you cannot change it to something of your liking. So if you were John Smith, again, if you were John Smith, you couldn't change it to John Smith 1 or something like that. It has to be the password that ClickBank give you at the time of making this video anyway. So just remember that password, write it down, store it in a safe place, whatever you're going to do, but do not forget it. Just want to show you one more thing, because I want to make sure that you know everything that happens with this program. You will get another email from ClickBank saying successful account change. That's fine. That's just basically confirming that you did change your password. You know what I'm going to do? This is a good way to keep your passwords online. Is this. We'll send an email to ourselves. I mean, there's various ways we can do that, and I know that you can go into calendar and all these kind of things, but just to make life easy, just let's just go in and it's apparently, yes, Google Mail, yes, isn't it? Let's just go in and send this to ourselves. Okay, ClickBank password. Alright, and then what I did do was I copy and pasted it from the page we were at previously, just went over and copied the 2 lines there. Again, right click to copy, and then back and right click again and paste, and there we go. That is the information we need. So we just send that to ourselves, and that means we have a copy. There we go, it's there already. And that's a copy of our password, and that's a copy of our ClickBank account. Alright, so there we go. That is one way for you to make sure that you do not lose your ClickBank account name and password. So here we are back at the sign-in page, the login page for ClickBank, and so we know our nickname now. We have our password, of course. We've emailed that to ourselves, so we can copy and paste that into our ClickBank account now. Over time, there's no doubt that you will remember it off by hand anyway, off by heart. And once you've put in your nickname, your password, click login, and this is your ClickBank account home page. Here we go, and that's just again another confirmation because we updated the password. You may not alter your payment method, and that's not a problem at all. That's not a problem at all. So this is where you will arrive to once you log in to your ClickBank account.